Hello and welcome to the MP3 Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, provided by MP3 Academy, we're going to talk about why curiosity is not enough for progress. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you take the essential next steps beyond curiosity and turn your interest into intention, action, and measurable results. While curiosity is a great starting point, real progress requires you to go further by setting goals, taking action, and staying accountable. At MP3 Academy, we provide the tools and strategies you need to transform curiosity into meaningful progress that builds confidence and helps you achieve your goals. Let's dive into how you can make that transition and move forward in your personal and professional growth. Curiosity is often the starting point for growth, but curiosity alone is not enough for progress. At MP3 Academy, we help individuals transition from a state of curiosity to one of intention, and finally to action. While curiosity sparks interest and opens the door to new possibilities, it needs to be paired with deliberate action to produce measurable results. Without taking the steps necessary to move forward, curiosity remains a passive state. We believe that true progress is made when curiosity transforms into actionable goals, and we're here to guide you through that process. For our complete list of MP3 Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support MP3 Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, MP3 Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. The next phase after curiosity is intention. Curiosity brings awareness to new areas of interest, but intention sets the foundation for purposeful action. At MP3 Academy, we teach you how to focus your curiosity and turn it into clear goals that align with your values. Intention involves making conscious decisions about what you want to achieve and creating a roadmap to get there. By shifting from curiosity to intention, you begin to build a structure that helps you navigate the path from exploration to concrete progress. Once you've developed a strong intention, the next critical step is taking action. This is where many people struggle, as the leap from thinking to doing can feel overwhelming. At MP3 Academy, we break down the process of taking action into manageable steps. We help you create specific, measurable actions that move you closer to your goals. By focusing on one small task at a time, you can build momentum and start making progress. Action is the bridge between curiosity and measurable results, and it's where real change begins. Progress is a process, not a one-time event. At MP3 Academy, we emphasize the importance of understanding that growth happens step by step. Each stage of the journey, from curiosity to intention to action, is necessary for achieving long-term success. Skipping steps or rushing the process can lead to frustration or burnout. Instead, we guide you through each phase methodically, ensuring that you build a strong foundation for sustained progress. This approach helps you avoid the common pitfall of expecting immediate results and gives you the patience needed for real change. Measuring your results is an essential part of the progress process. At MP3 Academy, we teach you how to set measurable goals so you can track your improvements over time. When you can see the concrete outcomes of your efforts, it boosts your self-esteem and encourages you to keep moving forward. By measuring progress, you transform abstract goals into tangible achievements, reinforcing the belief that your actions are making a difference. This validation is key to building self-confidence, as each success builds upon the last. We also emphasize the importance of accountability in the progress journey. It's easy to get stuck in curiosity without moving forward if there is no external or internal system in place to hold you accountable. At MP3 Academy, we provide accountability tools that keep you on track, whether through self-monitoring techniques or community support. Accountability ensures that you remain committed to your intentions and take consistent action, making it more difficult to revert to passive curiosity. One of the biggest obstacles to progress is fear of failure. Often, people get stuck in the curiosity phase because they are afraid that taking action might lead to mistakes or setbacks. At MP3 Academy, we teach you that failure is not something to be feared, but rather embraced as part of the learning process. Progress is not always linear, and setbacks are an inevitable part of growth. By normalizing failure and viewing it as feedback, you develop the resilience needed to continue moving forward even when challenges arise. Consistency is another key factor in turning curiosity into progress. Curiosity can ignite a spark of motivation, but without consistent effort, that spark will fade. At MP3 Academy, we help you build daily habits that support your goals, ensuring that you stay on course even when initial excitement wanes. Progress requires sustained effort over time, and consistency is what keeps you moving forward. By integrating small, consistent actions into your routine, you build the discipline needed to achieve your long-term objectives. It's important to recognize that progress is a personal journey, and comparing yourself to others can be detrimental to your growth. At MP3 Academy, we encourage you to focus on your own path, understanding that everyone's journey is different. What matters most is that you are moving forward, regardless of how fast or slow that progress may seem. By focusing on your own goals and celebrating your individual achievements, you maintain a sense of purpose and avoid the discouragement that comes from comparison. In conclusion, curiosity is just the beginning of the journey toward personal growth and success, but it must be paired with intention and action to produce measurable results. At MP3 Academy, we provide the guidance and tools to help you move from passive curiosity to active progress, ensuring that each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Progress is a process that requires patience, consistency, and accountability, and by embracing each step, you build the self-esteem and self-confidence needed to achieve lasting success.